Hello, people from the Natural Cures channel. Today, we're going to explore an ancient secret that can transform your health and well-being. Have you heard about the benefits of clove tea? This small flower bud has incredible powers that go far beyond its use in cooking. Get ready to discover 13 powerful reasons to incorporate this miracle drink into your daily routine. Stay until the end to learn how to prepare clove tea and maximize the benefits of this wonderful spice. 13 reasons to drink clove tea. 1. Fever reduction. Clove tea is an effective natural remedy for reducing fever. Its antipyretic properties help lower body temperature in a safe and healthy way. Rich in nutrients such as magnesium, vitamin E, and vitamin K, cloves also have anti-inflammatory properties that prevent bacterial infections. Incorporating clove tea into your routine can strengthen the immune system and keep the body resistant to diseases. 2. Relief from dental problems. The analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves make it an excellent remedy for toothaches and inflamed gums. Eugenol, present in cloves, acts as a natural anesthetic, relieving pain and reducing inflammation. In addition to gargling clove tea, you can apply clove oil directly to the affected area for quick relief. Cloves also combat bad breath and can be used to whiten teeth by mixing powdered cloves with baking soda. 3. Assistance in the treatment of diabetes. For those dealing with diabetes or prediabetes, cloves can be a great ally. Its polyphenolic compounds help regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion, facilitating weight loss. Studies show that consuming clove extract can significantly reduce blood glucose levels, making it an effective natural preventative and treatment measure. 4. Treatment of sinus infections. Clove tea is a powerful expectorant that helps eliminate mucus and unblock the airways. Its antioxidant and antibacterial properties are effective in preventing disease, especially during seasonal changes. Drinking clove tea in the morning can provide immediate relief from the symptoms of sinus infections and improve respiratory health naturally. 5. Improves digestion and aids weight loss. Cloves are an excellent ally for digestion and weight loss. Clove tea increases saliva production and blood flow, facilitating the digestion of food. Its analgesic properties relieve stomach pain and acidity, while its antiseptic characteristics combat nausea. Furthermore, cloves speed up metabolism, helping to burn fat and contributing to healthy weight loss. 6. Arthritis relief. Arthritis is a painful condition that affects millions of people, and clove tea can offer natural relief from this pain. Its analgesic properties help reduce joint and muscle pain, while iced clove tea compresses can decrease swelling and inflammation. This natural alternative is an excellent option for those who want to avoid stronger medications. 7. Combating intestinal parasites. Intestinal parasites are a health threat, but clove tea can help fight them. With anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, clove eliminates parasites and relieves gastrointestinal symptoms such as abdominal pain and discomfort. Its antioxidants improve the body's overall health and strengthen the immune system, making clove tea an effective natural remedy against intestinal parasites. 8. Acne reduction. Clove essential oil is an effective natural treatment for acne and pimples. Studies show that clove extract reduces inflammation and bacterial activity related to acne. Incorporating clove tea into your routine can significantly improve skin health, combating pimples, and preventing new breakouts. 9. Treatment of urinary infections. Clove tea is effective in treating urinary tract infections. Its antibacterial properties fight infection-causing bacteria such as E. coli and salmonella. Although clove tea does not replace medical treatment, it can be a useful supplement to help prevent and treat urinary tract infections naturally. 10. Treatment of skin problems. Clove tea has antibacterial properties that help treat cuts, wounds, and fungal skin infections such as ringworm and athlete's foot. While it shouldn't replace medical treatments for serious skin problems, clove tea can be a valuable addition to your skincare routine. 11. Food poisoning prevention. Clove tea can be a useful tool in preventing food poisoning. Studies show that cloves can reduce the growth of bacteria associated with foodborne illnesses, such as E. coli and salmonella. Additionally, clove oil is an effective natural preservative, offering a healthier and safer alternative to chemical food preservatives. 12. Improved sexual well-being. Clove tea can improve sexual well-being, especially in men. It can increase testosterone and improve blood flow, increasing libido and the quality of erections. In Ayurvedic medicine, clove oil is used to treat male sexual dysfunction, making it a potentially useful supplement to improve sexual life. 13. Natural disinfectant. Clove tea can also be used as a natural hand sanitizer. Unlike commercial disinfectants, it is completely natural and free from adverse effects. Simply rub clove tea on your hands to remove dirt and bacteria, providing effective and safe cleaning. How to prepare clove tea. Preparing clove tea is simple and quick. Grind a tablespoon of whole cloves and add it to a cup of water in a pan. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes. Strain and let cool before drinking. If you prefer, add a teaspoon of honey for a sweeter flavor. Drink the tea in the morning to make the most of its benefits. Remember to consume in moderation, as excess can be harmful. Share this discovery with your friends and family and continue following us for more health and well-being tips. Incorporating clove tea into your daily routine can bring numerous health benefits. From reducing fevers to improving digestion and treating infections, cloves are a powerful spice that deserves a prominent place in your diet. If you like this content, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos. To the next.